Have you ever been watching a YouTube video and thought, get to the point already? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use YouTube chapters so that your viewer can navigate through your video and get directly to the information that they are seeking. The latest YouTube update allows your videos to be more searchable by adding more keywords to your videos, increasing your chances of being found on Google. And it's as simple as adding timestamps to your videos. Chapters divide your videos into sections. Viewers can click on a section and watch that, jump to a specific section, easily rewatch a section they found informative, and even share a specific section of your video. Timestamps have been around for a while. The exciting part is that you can see your timestamps right in the video player and skip to the ones that you want to watch. To add chapters to your videos, you just need to add timestamps to the video's description. The first and most important thing to pay attention to, though, is that your first timestamp needs to be 0:00. This is very important, and if you miss this step, chapters will not show in your video. Once you have the first timestamp, you can start adding the rest of your chapters by indicating the timestamp where each chapter begins and give it a name. By choosing titles for your chapters that are SEO friendly and have a high search volume, you're increasing your chances of being found. Plus, Google will put just that portion of your video on the Google page, so anyone that searches for that particular keyword will see your video. Once you save the timestamps and then open the video in YouTube, you will see what exact timestamps will now show up on your video player, and the viewer will be able to go to a specific part that they are looking for in your video. The best part of Google Chapters is that it's easy to add to your videos. All you need to do is update the description. So you can go back to all your older videos and add timestamps with SEO friendly names and increase your chances of being found. There are a few rules you need to pay attention to. For starters, you need to have at least 3 chapters per video. Each chapter needs to be at least 10 seconds long, and you write the description or the name of the chapter right after your timestamp, and it needs to be at least 3 letters long. Do you want to make videos but hate talking to camera? I can help. Sign up for my free Film Yourself Challenge where I teach you how to get comfortable talking to camera. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, please give a thumbs up, or better yet, leave a comment. I have new videos out every Wednesday. Until next time, peace!